I'm Edwin and I'm working for 16 years for Lance now, and as an operational manager I'm responsible for 21 hectares of high-tech greenhouses. What I like about the lamps is the balance between efficiency and workability. So the efficiency is very high, but it's still workable under the lamps. Besides that, I am still surprised how quiet they are running. You can barely hear the fans. With the added green in the spectrum, it's a very good work light, and we don't hear any complaints from the employees. Even though we are growing with 2 degrees higher temperature, we use less heating compared to the HPS side of the greenhouse.